guys, Dino here from Tristan Nomadic, and I'm just negotiating a price with the E-Trike Rider from Boracay. We're going to go rip around just for an hour, have a quick look around Boracay Island. Enjoy!
Oh yeah, just me. Yeah, private.
Okay.
What do you charge like for say
500 per hour.
500 per hour. Okay, no worries. Oh good. Do you want to go for a little, just for 1 hour now?
Okay.
Yeah, just because I don't know what the place is like. Just maybe go up a little bit, just 1 hour, yeah, and come back.
Okay.
Yeah, tour, 1 hour tour. Hello, how are you?
Welcome to Boracay, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Hope you don't mind. I'm filming for my YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
So here we go. Just jumped in the tuk-tuk. 500 peso and per hour, so it's not too bad just to cruise around. That's about 15 bucks Australian. You can cruise around for a bit of an hour to an hour. I might grab him for an hour in a couple of days and maybe go for a big trip around the island.
When you came from, sir?
Pardon?
When you came from?
I come from Perth, Australia.
Australia.
Yeah, just arrived today.
You alone here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, on my own. I came to Boracay 25 years ago, so it's changed a lot. So this is the main road, yeah?
Yeah.
This is the main road.
Yeah. Main road.
Main road, yeah.
We're going to Mangrove.
Okay.
Mangrove is the destination of visitors there. Going there.
Okay.
I bring you.
Yeah, you show me whatever, anything. That's good. Thank you. We're sort of in the centre of everything now.
Yeah.
You got McDonald's, of course, and the little lake. So this is pretty much the centre of everything right here. So this is the other beach over the other side, where they do all the windsurfing. No wind today, but no, little bit maybe. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, can I get out and have a look here, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. I love Boracay. A little bit different over this side. The beach you can see, a bit raw rocky, but it's really, I like it. It's really beautiful. There it is there, guys. And I'm pretty sure this is the area where they do all the windsurfing, so it must get a lot windier over this side sometimes, not today, but there they do the little sand castle there with the date. They'll probably do the whole thing every day. Is that done every day?
Yes, sir.
The whole lot or just the date?
Only in the morning.
Yeah. It's
But in the
fantastic.
front beach we have the until evening.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. It's very impressive.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir.
Very, very impressive. And then you've got some really cool looking little joints. Look at that kite surfing school there. So different vibe to this one, this beach definitely, but I like it. Go guys, great view from here. You get all these boats down there. They look like they're party boats, or you can go down and do jet skiing, canoeing, go out on the parasailing. You got it all down there. Get out on the water, dudes. that beach called?
New coast. This is a new coast.
Is that private?
No? Yeah.
Yeah,
This is a private farming mega world.
Okay. Very nice.
We turn around if you want. Tourist destination, mangrove.
Mangrove, yeah. We are at the mangrove. Looks pretty cool. Also, my battery's running out and I'm a bit unprepared today, so we'll just get a little bit of everything, and if it runs out, we'll never mind. Boracay mangroves. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Dino here from 3 Star Nomadic. We'll catch you down the track.